Ice?
Please.
Soda?
Yes.
I hope it's not too strong.
I'm sure it will be fine.
Oh, hey, mamma mia. Spaghettino to Al Pacino. Hey, Colin Ken and me, I got a little business to talk over you. We won't be long. Have another drink. Oh, viva Zapata. Where is she?
I don't know.
Hello, Mr. Marcioni.
Hey. Come on in.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can I get you a drink?
Oh, no, nothing, thank you.
It's, Simone.
Oh, you really have a good memory.
Yeah, well, I never forget a pretty face. Hey, boss. This is Simone. That's Duvier's personal...
Secretary, how do you do, Mr. Scalini?
We never met before.
No.
No, if we meet before, you call me Julia.
No.
That's a nice hand.
Oh, thank you. That's only the right one.
Yeah, you type too.
100 words a minute.
I may faint.
Listen, Mr. Duvier has asked me to apologize. He's going to be a little late. If you like, I'll be happy to keep you company until he arrives.
If I like. Does my mother cook spaghetti?
To the Gannett transaction. Shall I tell Duvier we're on our way? Don't forget the money.
What? Throat! Back! Choking! You want me to hit you on the back?
We're on our way. Mr. Duvier will meet us in the lobby.
Yeah, ready.
Is that it?
Yeah.
50 million francs and no bodyguard.
Listen, buddy, I take care of my body takes care of me. You know what I'm driving at, you know?